Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I want to say hello. I am Nisha and welcome to the channel. I do a lot of makeup tutorials on my channel, do a lot of new releases, palettes, a lot of throwback palettes, and then other beauty related content here and there, you know, spread around the channel. So if that interests you, then of course go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell as well, so that way you will never miss out on an upload from yours truly. And I do have an upload schedule, y'all. Finally, I'm back with the upload schedule. It is Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and every now and then I'll do a Friday video, whether if it's just an extra video or I'll come back and do like a Friday night live and do like a live tutorial or something like that. So yeah, so that is my agenda for this channel. And I got this nasty sore on my lip. I don't know, I probably used a lip product that my lips didn't agree with, and it left a nasty scar and it will not come off. I did lip scrub, I've done everything, but nothing will come off. But anywho, so I took a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys what should be my next tutorial, and you guys have voted for the NORVINA palette. I was like, okay, I want to see another one. So we're doing another colorful look using this palette. My ideal on the next look, this is look number 2 using this palette. I do have a playlist that now I can create, so I will have a link in the description box or somewhere here in the video. But I will have a playlist, you know, because I do plan on coming back some more, because it's a lot of eyeshadows that I definitely want to play around with. But it's a lot of greens in here, a lot of greens, a lot of yellows. Yeah, I definitely want to try some of these brown shades as well in here. So that is my plan on the color story for today on my eyes. And then I said I want to go all out in bold today, finally. I'm going to do a purple lip too. Y'all know I don't usually do color lips. I'm like a neutral girl, but I'm digging back to my old ways and doing colorful lips. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep and prime my eyes. So right now I just have on concealer that I use to do my eyebrows, but now I'm going to put on my Juvia Eye Prep Eye Prime shade base number 2. I'm going to go in with a brow bone color, and I'm going in with the shade B5, a really nice pale nude color. I'm going to put that right underneath my brow bone. I'm going to start off with a nice deep rich dark brown, and then if it's too dark then I'm going to blend it out with a lighter shade. But I'm going to go in with E2. And the brush that I'm using is just a random crease brush that I got in one of my beauty boxes. And it's picking up very nicely too. So I'm going to take that color and we're going to sweep this in the crease. And the type of brush that I'm using, the eyeshadow is going to come off a little bit more softer. And that's my, you know, ideal of what I want to do. So I don't want it to be so deep and dark, but I do want it to appear semi-deep, but a softer version, if that makes sense. And it's coming out very nice. So I think I'm satisfied with this crease color. Like I said, I didn't really want that many colors in my crease. So what I'm going to do now is cut my lid going all the way across so that I can play around with some other colors. I'm trying to remember which yellow I used last time. I believe it was E4. So I'm going to use a different yellow. This one has a little bit more of a green undertone to it. So I'm going to take the shade A1 and with what brush is this? This is my Morphe M1. Right, this is my Morphe M124 brush. And I'm going to put this in the center part. Okay, so I had to switch out my brushes. This is an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. For some reason, the other brush was leaving like the shadow patchy. And like, if you ever have that problem, sometimes you just need to switch up a brush. It may not be the eyeshadow, it may not be the palette. Sometimes it can be the brush that we're using, or even sometimes the base. Like, a lot plays into this confusion of a patchy eyeshadow. So by me switching out the brush, I definitely see a difference and it's a lot better. So I am like doing it more than I said I was going to, like more in the center, but I'm pretty much almost covering up the whole entire lid. So I cleaned the brush off, and I'm now going to jump into E1. It's a beautiful matte green eyeshadow, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the deepest green in here. Yes, okay, so we're gonna go in with this green, and of course gonna put this in the outer part first. See how she looks against this neon yellow. What I did decide to do, because I didn't want this brown just to be the only color in my crease. I felt like it was gonna look a little off with being such, you know, having bright colors on the lid and then the crease is like a deep brown. So I decided to take that green eyeshadow, and I'm going to bring a little bit of that into the crease just to make it look more blendable, so it looks like it's more of a blended look in a sense. So I'm going to do the same thing for the inner, going into the crease as well. With that green, I really wanted to blend into that brown eyeshadow, so I'm going to take a little bit of that green eyeshadow on a blended brush, and this is an e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to lightly just take my time and blend this color against that brown, so the colors won't look so harsh together. I want them to look like a gradient effect and make sure they're blended nicely. Another thing I'm going to do too to make this look more blendable, I'm going to go back in with that brown. Just going to lightly tap that, and I'm going to add more to it. Make sure these colors blend very well. Alright, so I think this is decent. I'm okay with this right now. So what I'm going to do is do the rest of my face off camera, and I think I'm going to put on liner as well, and then we'll come back and finish up the bottom part because I think I want to go a different color. Face is on. I did put on a little bit of Juvia on my lower lash line because, like I said, I want to add a color down there. I think I got a little bit of this in my eye, like in my eye. What were you gonna do? I was thinking to go in with purple to go with the lip, but my gut is saying don't do that. I just have a feeling it's not going to work. So I'm going to stick to my second intention, was to do only green eyeshadows for this look. So I'm going to go in with a different shade of green. This one is like a, I want to say mint green, but it's not all the way mint green. Going in with B2. I think this is matte B2. Definitely has a mint undertone to it. So I do see a hint of blue in here. Really, really pretty. And this palette doesn't have like a metallic or shimmer type of green because I wanted that in my inner. So what I'm going to do is take the color, I'm going to take C1, and I think I'm going to mix her with A4. Oh, that came out perfect. Oh, that worked out really good. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and do cheeks and lips. Of course lips, but I want you guys to blush as well. That will complement all that's going on. Alright, so I did apply a little bit of bottom lashes because my natural lashes at the bottom, for some reason I just have not been liking them because I can't see them. Like, I put a bunch of mascara, but it doesn't show. And I know there's people who have natural, like long thick bottom lashes, but that's not me. So you guys are probably going to see this forever now because I like how it looks on my eyes, and it just definitely like grabs the eye look attention a lot more. So yeah, so the bottom lashes are cut, I styled them myself, but the top lashes, these are I Am Princess lashes in the style 1989, and yeah, that's what they look like. This eye is cute. Okay, eye is cute. So let's move on to the rest of the face. So I was gonna go on with my blush, but then I'm gonna do this bold purple lip. I decided to go in with my lipstick first, that way I can see what it looks like for blush wise. I'm gonna line my lips first with the Crown Case pencil. This is in the style Bearable. I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kiss because I got a couple of purple shades, but I'm gonna go in with the dark shade first. Play it safe and then work my way to a lighter lipstick color. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this ColourPop purple lipstick, and you know this is an old one because ColourPop don't even sell these type of lipstick tubes anymore. But this was in the shade Fluke, and I really want ColourPop to bring these formulas back. These are like their top dog lip glosses right here, or lipsticks. All right, I like this lip. It's it's bold, it's different, but I like how it looks. I'm not gonna add any gloss because I'm waiting for it to dry down. But I think this one, although it says matte, I don't think it's like a full-on like super dry matte. And I did have on some lip oil underneath it, so I can see the gloss. I don't need to add no gloss. So now we can move on to the cheeks. Okay, so to complement the lipstick, I'm going to go in with a nice purple pinky blush. Is this the palette? Hold on. I'm going to go in with my Hank & Henry blush palette. And I'm going to grab this beautiful purple shade right here. It's definitely going to complement this look. Look at that, so pretty. All right, pop that on to the cheeks. So if you're ever in like a loss for like blush, don't know what color to go with, try to complement the lip that you are going for. So put the lipstick on first and then you can figure out exactly what blush would go with that lipstick. Because if you do it the other way around, you're gonna look a little clownish. So you wanna make sure everything is going together. So I'm gonna lightly put this blush on because we got a lot going on. And I think this is a nice pretty coverage. You guys can see the difference. So you can wear it without blush, but you know me, I like, y'all know me, I like makeup, so I wear it all. Blush, contour, highlight, all. Bring something back, like way back. Y'all remember this from Anastasia, the Aurora highlighter palette? Yes. Y'all don't remember, let me show y'all what she looks like. Colorful, very odd and different highlighters. And when I first got this, I was like, why did I get this? Why did I get this? But now that I know how to work with highlighters, I definitely, you know, I can play around with different colors. So we're gonna play around with this pretty purple. Yes, a purple highlight. This is the best perfect opportunity to wear it today. So I'm gonna pop that on my nose. See, back then I didn't know how to wear a highlighter and I didn't know where to place it and stuff like that, but your girl a pro now, so I know where to place things at now. Oh, that's so pretty. Y'all see that? Look at that little nose. That nose is cute. I'm gonna do a little bit. It's a fly in here. Get out of here. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that on to my cheeks. Just a little bit. Alright, so I think this is good. I think we're good for now. So I said for now, like I got anything else. No, I think this is good. I'm good on this look. I like how it came out. So I'm going to set it now with my BH Paradise Hydrating Setting Spray. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed today's video. I'm very happy with everything. Like, I was really nervous on doing like a bold on top of bold, but like I said, this was like my signature back in the day, so I was like, why not? And being that I know how to work with makeup a lot better, I definitely want to come back and do more color lips, like bold, outrageous makeup tutorials like this. So let me know if you guys want to see that as well. So just thumbs up this video. But you can always substitute, if I do a color lip, something like this, you can always substitute it to a neutral lip. And believe it or not, I'm going out tonight. I'm going out with the boo thing. We're going out to eat, finally, date night, and I am wearing this. I thought I was, in my head, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take this off and do like a neutral lip. No. I am wearing this. This is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, but off camera I didn't show you guys because I was debating on what I was going to do with this. With my waterline, I didn't want to go with the black. I felt like it was just going to close everything off. So I went in with this ColourPop color stick. I like these. These are this is my first time trying out ColourPop color stick. And I'm already got my cart filled with some more color sticks because they're creamy and they're so easy to glide on and to put in the waterline, because I'm surprised, because usually, you know, you got to go over and over and over to build that color up. I went 1, 2, and that was it. I was like, well, damn. This is creamy. Just to give you guys a little swatch, look at this. Creamy. Like, wow. This is really so pretty. Like, okay, so this is in the shade. Let me find that color name. We're Off. So it's like a nice mint green color. So I felt like it's definitely going to complement everything that is going on with the look. So that was everything that I did off camera that I didn't mention. For full face details and stuff like that, make sure you guys check the description box. I will have everything listed there. But that is enough with the rambling. I am really liking this NORVINA palette. This is number 2, and she's giving me my color payoff. Like, I am here for it. So y'all know I'm gonna be back with another look because we got a playlist going on using this beautiful palette. So if you guys have any color combination in mind you would like me to do using this palette, just in case you guys have it, then let me know. I am going to try to get a neutral look out of here. I think this would be a nice little fun challenge for me to do a neutral look using this palette, because there is some neutral eyeshadows in here that can definitely get away with a neutral look. So I might come with that next, or I might do another bright and colorful look. Who call on me? But yeah, so that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video for more makeup tutorials, and of course I'll see you guys on my next upload video schedule. Bye guys.